Hello everyone, welcome back to another video of Programming Basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to change GoDaddy username. First step is to open your preferred browser. Here I am using Google Chrome. Now on the search bar, type in godaddy.com and it will direct you to the home page of GoDaddy website. And here you have to make sure that you are logged in your account, and after you log in, you can see your username here on the top right corner. Click on it. And here you can see account settings option. Click on it. Now after that, again on the top side, click on this account settings option, and here you can see login and pin. Click on it. Now scroll down a little bit until you see this login info section, and here you can see this edit button. Click on it. Now type in your new username that you want to change to. After you satisfy all these conditions, simply click on the save option here. And following this simple and easy step, you have successfully changed your username in GoDaddy account. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to comment down below if you have any queries. Thank you.